Welcome to my YouTube channel. As usual, my name is Naso. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in the United States of America. Today I'll be showing you guys my living room tour. Just what we did for Christmas, the decorations and all of that. I'll be showing you some parts of the kitchen. Basically, I'll just be showing you wherever we decorated for Christmas. That's what I'm going to be doing. It's just going to be like a mini tour. I'll try to give details of where I got everything from, but let's dive right into it without further ado. So all the way to the side, the first thing you're going to see is the dining room space, which is just this table runner and our very cute mats on the dining. And then we have this improvised glass cup that we just turned around, and we got these tea lights, which are glass cup that we already had. A lot of the stuffs were DIY. We just try to save money as much as we could. So I just got this garland, which is a garland that I use like almost everywhere. If you watch my Christmas shopping vlog, my first vlog for Vlogmas, you would know what this garland is from. It's a 50-foot long garland, and I just put them together and used them around the house as much as I could. So we just had some pine cones, some pigs, and everything we just did DIY. And then we got this African ashoke. My African people, y'all know what ashoke is. That's what my sister and I put together for the table runner, because I mean, why buy another red fabric when I have something red in the house? So next I'll just take you guys to the kitchen area. So this is the same garland situation going on here. If you call it counter, if you call it island, whatever you call it, this is what we just have on here. The same DIY stuff. We just put bowls and pine cones and Christmas tree balls and just lighted it up and just put it here, and I love that. And then next I'll be showing you is the socks we just did. Remember, the socks from my haul again. If you haven't watched that video, it's going to be linked somewhere, or the link is going to be in the description box, so you should go watch that video. Alright, I just have this stocking that I just put on here to kind of make it Christmassy. I mean, what's Christmas without socks? Santa's gonna be coming, right? Just gonna put our gifts in there. Next I'll be showing you is this wall art that has this hook on here. We just hooked it. It says home for holidays. I mean, does that need any explanation? No. Next is this counter that my sister was so gracious to do. Thank you so much, Gemma.
You're welcome.
We just got these bowls and we just kind of decorated, and of course garland going on there. It's littered, but I don't know, it's not so obvious. I don't know if you guys can see. And we just have that same kind of celebration going on down here as well. So that is what we have for the kitchen space. We also have our Christmas colors for our hand towels on here. I mean, it's red and white season, so yes, red and white. Next I'll be showing you is my Christmas garland, the rest of it, which I just put all around the sitting room just to make everywhere Christmassy, and that brings you to this living room space, the sitting room. Of course, our Christmas tree. If you haven't seen the video of us putting up our Christmas tree, you should go see it. And this is our Christmas tree, our famous Christmas tree. And then we have some gift boxes under there that we just did. We put together, my sister and I. Next is our Christmas pillows. If you saw my haul again, you would know where these Christmas pillows are from. I so love this reindeer one. It doesn't even have any Christmas stuff on it, but I don't know, it's just like my favorite, maybe because of the print or something, but I so much love Christmas prints, check prints, and that's why I love this one so much. I also like this two white ones on this side that have like the rustic vibes. I just like the vibe that it's giving me. If you're someone who likes like the Christmas farmhouse rustic vibes, this would be a very good buy. These pillows, of course, were from Walmart. Before I continue, I'd like to say that everything was bought from Walmart except for the balls on the tree, which were from Dollar Tree, and quite a few things. I also have my Dollar Tree vlog. I'm going to be linking it somewhere, so be sure to go watch that so you can figure out what I bought from Walmart and what I did not buy from Walmart. Next we have this cute beautiful centerpiece, which if you watch my haul again, you already know it's from Walmart. This is so pretty, and the fact that you can lit it up and it's a scented candle and everywhere smells really nice. I so much love this whole pine cone, pigs, Christmassy stuff going on. It's very simple but yet so elegant. Next, to the media center, we have, of course, our garland situation again, going on with pine cones and pigs. We just made this DIY because what's this Christmas without you decorating with family, right? So my sister and I, we just put this together. Everybody just had fun. It doesn't have to be perfect. We just did it and we put it on here to kind of spice up the whole media center and make it look very Christmassy. If you go upwards, of course you're going to see this wreath that I did last year with some of my friends. If you watched my first Vlogmas video, again, you're gonna know where this is from, and I made it with my friends. It is so beautiful. It is DIY. So that's the wreath that I made with my friends, and of course we have all that garland situation going on. If you watched the video up to this point, you of course are my real OG and I am grateful for you. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. And if you like this video, do want to give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and do leave me a comment. What do you like? What's your favorite decoration in the apartment, in the living room? And just tell me what other videos you would like to see. If you would like to see like the behind the scenes, how we made everything, how we put all the pieces together, do let me know as well in the comment section. And don't forget to share my videos with your friends, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!